Hello kids, I'm here again. Today we will talk about rainy season and the things, animals, insects and whatever you see in the rainy season. Okay, so let's begin. First, I will tell about the earthworm. Have you seen earthworm? Yes, it is seen only in rainy season. What it do? It dig the soil and make the soil fertile for farming to grow plants. Okay, so it is very useful for farming. Next, I will tell you about the snail. I told you the story, the snail and the cherry tree. Yes, that snail. The snail has a shell on its body. For what? When it sees anything danger, so it curl into the shell to cover itself. Okay. And it is very slow in walking. Means it crawls slowly and slowly. Next, we will talk about frog. You have drawn the picture of the frog. I have showed you how to draw picture of a frog. Yes, that only. Mostly the frog comes in green color. And it has head and nose on top of its head. Okay. Why? So it is very useful for it to breathe when it is mostly under the water. And how does the frog walk? No, it doesn't walk. It's only hop. Okay. And it has a very long back leg and a webbed feet. For what? For jumping and for swimming. Now we will talk about peacock. Have you seen peacock? Yes, you must have seen it in the zoo. But what you know about the peacock? It has a very colorful feathers this way. It open its feather during the rainy season and it loves dancing in the rainy season. Okay. Now what things you use during the rainy season? We use umbrella. Yes, we use umbrella to cover ourselves from rainy season. And also we use umbrella during summer also to cover ourselves from the sun rays. And next, during rainy season, what more things you use? Yes, we wear raincoats also to cover our bodies. During school time, children wear raincoat to go to school. And they wear gumboots also to cover their legs from getting dirty and from getting muddy. Okay. Now we will talk about the sun. During rainy season, mostly we are not able to see the sun. Why? Because the clouds are very cloudy and dark. But after rainy season, when the sun comes out, what we see? We see rainbow, colorful rainbows. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Yes, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. But how rainbow is formed? When the raindrops go through the sun, then colors are formed. Okay, that is the sun rays are white in the sun rays are not white in color. They are full of 7 colors. So when the raindrops go through when the sun rays go through the raindrops, that time rainbows are formed. All the 7 colors you can see. Now one thing, when it is very heavy raining, that time you can hear the thunder and lightning. You can see also the lightning. But one more thing, one important thing I want to tell you, that time you should not go out of your house. Okay, you stay at home only. It is very risky to go out of the house during thunder and lightning. Now next is grass. Yes, green grass. During rainy season, everywhere you can see greenery. Okay, there is everywhere you can see green grasses, some small, some big. In the garden also you go to play in the grass. But during rainy season, you should not walk on the grass because there are tiny insects which may bite on your leg and it is very dangerous for you. So you just see the grasses and enjoy. Now next I will talk about one interesting thing, that is most of the children love to jump in the water puddle during the rainy season. They love to jump, they love to enjoy in the water and splash water around it. And one more character is there who loves to jump in the water puddle. Who's that? Yes, that is Peppa Pig. She also loves to jump in the water puddle. So these were the information about snail, earthworm, frog, peacock, umbrella, raincoat, gumboot, sun, rainbow, thunder and lightning. Okay, so be careful and enjoy your rainy season. Bye bye. Take care.